Hello. Today we're talking about how to dress for a first date. So, are you experiencing panic in front of your wardrobe, or have you started thinking about it a week ahead? Or maybe you've tried everything in your closet and you still don't know what to wear. Which one are you? I'm Anna McConnell, transformational coach and wardrobe stylist, and I help women and trans women in any transition in their life, a first date, a new job, post baby, a wedding, any new life situation. I help create a wardrobe that satisfies their personality and their lifestyle. So, how to make the best first impression. The better you feel, the more relaxed you are, the more engaging you will be. A first date can seem a little bit awkward at first. We've all been there, right? But our goal is to make the best first impression. So here are a few things that I go over with my clients. First, where are you going? Do you know the venue? There's no harm in asking. You don't dress the same way to go bowling as you would to go for cocktails. So look it up online and see the setting and environment. There are so many reasons to be uncomfortable. Don't let it be because you are overdressed or underdressed. How do you want to be perceived? What do you want to project? For instance, that you are an independent, intelligent, professional woman looking for a lifetime partner. There are multiple facets to your personality. You want to show all of them off. What is your best feature? What do you want to enhance or minimize? Knowing this will help you choose the outfit that you will be wearing. Confidence and attitude are so important. You don't want to fidget all night, so be comfortable in your clothes and wear something that is familiar, not a new outfit or new shoes, for example. What color do you get most complimented on? Is it the blue that makes your eyes pop or the pink that gives that special glow? Well, those are the right colors for you then. Don't give it all away. Be reasonable in what you decide to show off. Besides, there's nothing sexy about exaggeration. Be moderate in your choice of clothing, accessories, and makeup. You don't want to be too trendy either, and you don't want to be perceived or appear as if you were too high maintenance. Balance. Simple and classic is always best, even if you're wearing a pair of jeans, heels, and a blazer. Think about what you expect from this date. Chances are the person you are meeting expects the same thing. So, how would you like him to dress and act? What is important to you? And mimic those feelings. Don't overshare your situation. It's just a first date. I suggest to keep it short for a cocktail or coffee. Like that, if it doesn't seem to work out, you do have an escape. I've tried online dating a long time ago, and my concept was I chose the same cafe to go to each time for a cocktail, and I even let the waiter know what I was doing. It felt safe, and we had some funny situations, but always interesting. That's for another time. I know today that a lot of people are online with social media more than they are talking to each other. So a first date may seem a little bit uncomfortable, but I'm sure it gets better with practice. Be natural, authentic, and be yourself. Don't pretend to be someone you are not. It will show. So, do you want some help? If you need some help before the first date, grab my guide herewith, the 10 styling mistakes to avoid at all costs. And perhaps you want to be on my email list where I send the special invitations first. Or maybe the next step is to give me a call and see how I can help you. So in the meantime, have a fabulous day and I'll see you soon. Bye.